Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Canva T-shirt design in just a few minutes. Whether it's for your business, a group event, or a fun personal project, Canva makes the process simple and enjoyable. First, head over to Canva's website. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and free. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top and type T-shirt design to browse Canva's curated templates. There's a wide variety, so take your time to explore and find one that matches your vision. When you've found a template you like, click on it and select Customize this template. This is where the fun begins. You can edit the text, change fonts, adjust colors, and even upload your own images. Canva also provides a library of free elements, so experiment with different combinations until your design feels just right. While designing, keep basic principles in mind. Balance, contrast, and alignment make your t-shirt visually appealing. Pay attention to color harmony, as complementary colors can really elevate your design. You can save your progress anytime and return to it later if needed. Once you're happy with your design, download it in the format that works best for you: PNG for images or PDF for print. This ensures your design stays crisp and clear when it's transferred onto fabric. Congratulations, you've just created a fantastic t-shirt design using Canva. Now you can take it to an online print service or local printer and bring your creation to life. Thanks for watching.